the industry is seeing scale deployments of vRAN and Open RAN, operators are looking for ways to optimize the operation of their network, to save cost, to reduce energy usage, and also to look for new revenue streams for it. Intel's developed the Intel AI Development Kit in order to provide an easy on-ramp for operators to begin to employ AI in their networks using their general purpose Intel Xeon scalable processors, which have integrated AI acceleration. At the show, we were doing a demonstration with Vodafone and AT&T and Deutsche Telekom, showing various AI use cases for RAN and how operators can start to implement AI and begin their AI journey today using Intel Xeon processors.
We will show 3 use case demo as Dan mentioned. One is the power saving working with AT&T. The second one is the user level beam management working with Deutsche Telekom. Third one is the network slice radio resource management working with the Vodafone. Here is power saving demo that we work with AT&T across different data traffic profile from high traffic load and low traffic load. And we collect 24 hours data from AT&T 5G commercial traffic trace. And we applied AI technology to make an intelligent decision what is the right CPU frequency in the given traffic volume and other RAN-related metric. So I can quickly show this screen. You can see the CPU frequency keep changing according to the traffic volume. But this AI is not just look at the traffic volume, but it also look at all the other RAN-related metrics, such as the PRB utilization and RAN delay and other CPU utilization. So it figure out the best CPU frequency to maximize the energy saving while keeping the RAN performance has no impact on that. So we monitor all of the CPU frequency changing, scaling. We see the 16% power saving, but there is no impact on the RAN service. That's the first demo with the AT&T power saving. And let me move on to the other demo. So this is user level beam management when mobile users, especially moving to the edge, their radio signal is getting weak. Their channel quality is going down. So the question for the operator, how I can maintain the channel quality and their user experience for their 5G mobile services, right? So we bring AI technology working with Deutsche Telekom to have a very fine-tuned beam configuration like the vertical, horizontal angle, transmit power, number of layers in order to maximize the system level throughput and user experience. So you can see here, green color is AI based, yellow color is non-AI based. You can see there are much difference, especially those 5 users moving to the edge. You see a lot of improvement in the throughput, like 115 megabps versus non-AI based showing just 51 megabps. And you see a lot of difference from the delay point of view. Like, let me just move here. So AI-based beam management showing 7.53 millisecond versus non-AI-based showing like 1,000 millisecond. So this is all about keeping the user's channel quality, increasing the RAN system capacity. So the last demo is the network slicing radio resource allocation. It is really critical in order to operator to keep the service level agreement. Either it could be bandwidth or it could be latency. And we work with Vodafone, and by defining some of the system level agreement that required in the cloud gaming, and we see how AI guarantee that cloud gaming service level agreement requirement, even the network congestion happen. So how AI can guarantee this service, which is really important for the operator to generate the new revenue services or generate a new product. So if you see here, screen here, you can see the 2 cloud gaming video. And then left-hand side is non-AI based and right-hand side is AI based. You can see the left-hand side video quality constantly drop because when they do the manual-based radio resource allocation, it's not dynamic, it's not a real-time. But when we have AI-based radio resource allocation, it can give real-time and the dynamic control, understand what radio resource exactly allocated real-time base. So you can see the right-hand side of video. There's no cloud gaming, quality drop, no latency drop, keep under 5 milliseconds, even in the network congestion. So these 3 demos showing AI model coming from Intel AI development kit, vRAN AI development kit, can give a benefit to the operator in a different challenge environment.
So as you can see, AI technology has a lot of potential to improve the quality of vRAN services and Open RAN services. And Intel is working with mobile operators and our large ecosystem partners in order to make this technology a reality and help to bring these benefits to the mobile industry.